Nope, wrong key. Ah, right key. Fail. Oh, wrong car. Right car. Let's get this thing a break, dog. I put about 1,500 miles on it in 4 days. Sheesh. I'm not your average Nismo GTR owner. I'm going to drive this shit all the time. That's why I spent all the damn money on it, is to put them damn miles on it. I truthfully feel like I'll keep this car until it has like 100,000 miles. Then I'll just sell it for like 100K and... Bro, you're never gonna get 100K for a GTR with 100,000 miles. Watch me. That fresh kicks tax, dog. I'm telling you, that fresh kicks tax. And it got stock TEs, bro. Anyways, what's happening, guys? What's happening? How we feeling today, man? Me and my family drink this Fuji water in the village. I get this straight off of a tree. This falls straight off of a leaf into my hands. I crack myself up. I really do. So on today's agenda is pretty much nothing. I'm about to link up right now with my boy Snewj. I'm pretty sure many of you guys know him. He's been in a few of my videos. We made one video before, which was pretty funny. We got some new video ideas going down. I think he's waiting for his Lambo to get out of the shop. I think he's doing a few things to it, but he has the M4 today, so we're probably just gonna make a for shits and giggles video today. Something funny or something. Who wants to smoke? Man, this is gonna be hella funny. Me and this guy are stupid, bro. When it comes to making a video, me and this guy are so stupid. We got the Snewj mobile behind us. This place is so nice when we get snow on the mountains. Paradise. That Cali living. Are we doing that BTS right here? We're not actually racing, guys.
Alright, yo, get in. We got a new car. We'll keep the Beamer here, okay? We'll come get it later because I'd rather just enjoy this.
We're in the Sneamer. In the M Hezi. And the GTR looking like a snack. Thing looks sick. Seen it third person, that thing looks sick. Wow. That's pretty loud. That's crazy. It does not sound that loud inside the car. God, that thing looks so good. Damn, guys, look at the carbon. Sheesh. Damn. Seeing this third person makes me love it. Like, oh, all right. I let my dog film a little bit with the ETR. Just chilling here. No hezzy. Should have like a little Snewj bobblehead. That should be funny. My boy drink this core water. Hella trash. I'm just kidding. I be drinking that shit too. Snewj in the ETR.
Don't look at the rear, bro.
That is that. We just wrapped up this little skit. It's just gonna be super funny. Can't wait to watch it. When we get this Lambo back, we're gonna do like a part 2 of it.
Later that same evening.
Yeah, this is super random. So I'm going to my boy's house and I think they're having a car meet over here. It's definitely burned out. I don't know. I see some Camaros, so I'm pretty sure it's a car meet. They don't look too happy over there. I don't know what's going on, bro. Like, they blocked off the intersection or something because I've been sitting here for like 10 minutes. One of these cops are gonna think that I'm at the car meet. They're gonna pull my ass over. All right, guys, let's see what happened. I see a Mustang. Oh, he's out the car. Look at that. Popping hoods, I told you guys. Serious out here, man.
The next day.
Top of the morning. Ooh, turn these seat warmers off. Ooh, that should get warm quick. Nothing too crazy today. This door speaker right here is kind of blown. I can't really like hear it all the time, but it's definitely blown. I can hear it. And when they took the door panel off to wrap the car, it was a little bit ripped. So I'm gonna go ahead and upgrade these two. That's what we doing today. I'm hella tired. All right, we here at my dog's Stereo City.
Yes, sir.
Damn, should be looking like paint in the light. And don't mind the brake dust. Sheesh, the R888. Guys, I don't think you know how much I love this car. So, we're gonna be switching out the door speakers with these. Very nice. Shout out the homies over here. Stereo City hooking it up. Look at this fool right here. Is that Yesy back? It's not Bose no more. But it sounds super good. I'll play you a little snippet real quick so I don't get demonetized. Y'all get the idea. Sounds a lot better. Might as well upgrade, you know what I'm saying? I am a fan of upgrading things when they go bad. I don't like to put the same stuff back. So definitely sounds better, and we got new tweeters too. So I'd recommend if you guys have a GTR. Yeah, it's super inexpensive too. It wasn't like really expensive for the two speakers either. So you already got the stock like subs back here. So just by changing the tweeters and the two speakers in here, it sounds a lot better. Ooh, 10. Sheesh.
That sounded like 720.